coin and number of coins. $50 coins. So here they have mentioned 5. 50 paisa, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next type of coin is 1 rupee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 given. Next 2 rupees. And thirdly given 5 rupees. 2 rupees, 2 coins given. 5 rupees, 1 coin given. Okay, like this pictorially given. Now we have to construct the frequency distribution table using the tally marks. Okay, so very simple. Here they only given type of coin. So first we will observations are types of coins and how many times it is repeated. How many coins are there? Such type of coins are how many are there? Number of coins that represents frequency, and that frequency we need to write by using tally marks. First thing, type of coin. So this is the solution. Type of coin. Next, tally marks. Next, number of coins. So here, number of coins represents frequency and type of coin represents observations. Okay. So here first 50 paisa coin we have. Then 1 rupee coin. 2 rupees, 5 rupee. So total 4 types of coins are there. Now count how many 50 paisa coins are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1 rupee coins were there. 1, 2, 2 rupees coins are there. And only 1 5 rupee coin is there. So now using tally marks we need to represent that. 5 how we are representing? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth tally mark we have to cut the remaining 4. With the fifth tally mark, we need to cut the remaining 4 tally marks. Now 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next to 2, 1, 2. And last one is 1 itself. Okay. So now frequency, just observe total how many coins are there. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total coins were 15. Okay. So just once again observe this question. A child's kiddie bank is opened and the coins collected in the following denominations represent the data in the frequency distribution table. So here the data is given like this: type of coin and number of coins. Type of coins are 4 types given: 50 paisa, 1 rupee, 2 rupees and 5 rupees. All these are observations. 50 paisa coins we have 5, 1 rupee coins 7, 2 rupees coins 2, 5 rupees coins only 1. So that information we need to represent using frequency distribution table. Here type of coin represents observation and tally marks we need to use to represent the data in the frequency distribution table, and number of coins represents frequency. That's all. Okay. Now coming to the second problem. The favorite colors of 25 students in a class. Are given below. Blue, red, green, white, blue, green, white, green, white, red, orange, green, blue, orange, green, blue, next white, blue, orange, blue, blue, white. Red, white, white, red. Green, blue, blue, white. So total 25 students they are given, means whatever colors they are given, they must have 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So all the observations are given. Now next, write a frequency distribution table. Write a frequency distribution table using tally marks for the data. Without mentioning tally marks also, we have to use compulsory. Using tally marks for the data. And next, which is the least favorite color for the students? Which is the least favorite color for the students? Okay, first we need to prepare a frequency distribution table for this data, and then we need to write which color is liked by least number of people. So just this information is given for students, yes or no? And it is depends upon different colors, type of colors. So here observations are colors. Okay, and frequency is number of students. Okay, So type of color is observation. Colors. Next column is for tally marks. And next, number of students liked that color. That is frequency. Okay, now just prepare the table first. After that, we will write the answer. So before that, how many types of colors are mentioned in this table, we must know. First, blue is a different color. Next, red. Green also different, white also different. Green, white, and orange. So still any is there? This much only. Total 5 types of colors are mentioned in the data. Just observe that. Blue, red, green, white, and blue already came. Green already came. White already came. Red already came. So orange. That's all. These are the 5 different types mentioned. Now blue, how many people are liking that? So how many students are liked blue color? We have to find. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 members are liked blue color. Next, red. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 people were there. Next, green. 1, 2, 3. Next, 4. White color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people are liking white color. Orange. Orange. How many people are like? 1, 2. So only 2 people are like orange color. Now add all these numbers. Compulsory we must get 25 only because total number of students were 25. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 7, 23. 23 plus 2 is 25. Okay. So completely 25 we got. So means every number was covered here. So blue color 8 people are liking. So represent by using the tally mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2. So observe the frequency distribution table. Which color is liked by least number of students? See, just observe 2 people only liked this color and this color is orange. So which is the least favorite color for the students asking? Orange is the least favorite color for the students. Orange is the least favorite color for the students. So once again observe this information is given about colors liked by different 25 students. That's why total frequency we have to get only 25 students. And what are the different types of colors mentioned in the question? Right here. We are preparing the frequency distribution table. So just type of colors are observations. Here all are colors given. So all those are observations. And how many students liking that color is frequency, we are representing that one by using the tally marks. After getting the frequency distribution table, they have asked which color is the least favorite for the students asking. So orange is liked by only 2 students. That's why this is the least favorite color for the students. Okay. Okay, just observe this question here. Types of ban, tally marks, number of SMS polled. That will be the frequency. So A is for complete ban. A how many times given? Just observe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 times. Okay, 20 people polled on A, complete ban. Next, B, 1, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 were polled on B. Next, continue sales, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total, how many SMS were polled? Just observe 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 and 4 rows are given. So 10 fours are 40. Total SMS were also 40. Means all the information, whatever gathered, that one is correct. Now represent those values by using tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So just listen here. This information is given for ban of liquor. So types of bans are mentioned three types. A is for complete ban, B is for partial ban, C is for continuous sales. So by uh, number of SMS polled means how many SMSs came for A, B, and C. A is total 20 people polled for A, then 10 people polled for B, and 10 people polled for C. Totally 40 SMS they have received. So total 40 we got here also. Frequency is equal to 40. Now represent each value by using the tally marks. That's all. Now coming to the last question from this exercise. Vehicles that crossed a check post crossed a check post between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. are as follows. Car, lorry, next bus, lorry, auto. Lorry, bus, auto, bike. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9. So total 36 vehicles are given. Represent the data using a frequency distribution table. Represent the data in a frequency distribution table. Using tally marks. So this is the given information. Total 36 observations are given. 36 vehicles are given. First of all, here this information given about vehicles. So first I am taking type of vehicles. Otherwise simply vehicles. Type of vehicles. Next second column as usual tally marks. And third column, how many vehicles are passed? Yes or no, means number of vehicles. of that kind. Okay. So here in this question, totally 36 vehicles are mentioned. Means after preparing the table, if you are adding total vehicles, you must get 36 only. Okay, we will see how many types of vehicles are given. Car given, lorry, next bus, auto, lorry, bus, auto, bike, next again jeep, so that much only given. Total 6 types of vehicles are given: car, lorry, bus, auto, bike, and jeep. Car, how many times, how many vehicles are passed during through that check post? We will see one. Number of vehicles crossed the check post. Okay, one. So like this, we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cars are crossed that check post, and lorry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Next, bus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Auto 1, 2, 3, only 3. Next, bike 1, 2, 3, 4. Jeep 1, 2, 3. So we will see total how many are there. 11 plus 9, 20. 20 plus 6, 26. 26 plus 4, 30. 30 plus 6, 36. So total vehicles 36 only. Now coming to use the tally marks. Just draw the tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11. We will have to represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Just listen here. This information given for vehicles that are crossed at the check post. So number of vehicles crossed at the check post. Cars, 6 cars were crossed, and lorries 11, buses 9, autos 3, bikes 4, and jeeps 3. So for that information, we are drawing the tally marks. That's all. And here they have mentioned totally 36 vehicles. So compulsory you must get total vehicles here. Just add all this, compulsory you will get 36 value. Okay. So this is about frequency distribution table, and afterwards we have pictographs. Okay. So in the next class, we will discuss about pictographs.